If you're searching for headphones that deliver full and natural sound without the fuss of wireless connections, SoundTrue wired headphones are worth a look. Designed with comfort and clarity in mind, these headphones offer an immersive listening experience that keeps you in the zone. The softly padded headband and memory foam cushions make long listening sessions comfortable. Unlike on-ear styles that can cause discomfort after a while, these over-ear headphones let you wear them for hours without pain or pressure. That means no distractions when you're deep into your work or favorite playlist. While SoundTrue headphones aren't wireless, their single detachable cable is a smart feature. It helps reduce tangling and makes storage simple, so you can grab and go without hassle. This wired setup also ensures a stable connection, giving you consistent sound quality every time. Users appreciate the crisp, clear audio these headphones deliver. Though they don't have the deep bass punch of some noise-canceling models like the QC15, SoundTrue strikes a solid balance across the sound spectrum. You'll get a rich, natural listening range that outperforms many in-ear and older headphone options. One reviewer mentioned how much they prefer these for office use over noise-canceling headphones because they don't isolate so much that people sneak up on you. It's a subtle but important detail if you need awareness while staying focused. Plus, the comfort level beats most on-ear and in-ear models, especially for long hours. Keep in mind, these headphones don't support volume control on Android devices through the cable, which might be a consideration depending on your setup. But for straightforward, reliable sound with excellent comfort, SoundTrue headphones deliver what matters most. If you want a headphone that balances sound quality, comfort, and easy storage without wireless complications, SoundTrue wired headphones are a solid choice. They're especially suited for people who spend long hours listening and need dependable, natural sound. Try them when you're ready to upgrade your daily audio experience. Whether at work or relaxing, SoundTrue headphones offer clear, natural sound and comfort that lasts all day.